If you want 93% of your total daily value in fiber in one meal, this breakfast oats and berries recipe was made for you. It's heart healthy, cholesterol lowering, it's so filling, and it's delicious. And the nutritional benefits in each and every one of these ingredients are backed by scientific research. Now, it's a little like granola style instead of creamy oatmeal, but you can cook the oats any way you want. Hi, I'm Jandy Autry, and I love cooking in my RV. But let's get cooking in your RV. Start by adding 7/8 of a cup of water to a saucepan and bring it to a boil. And by the way, 7/8 of a cup is in between 3/4 and 1 cup. Then add a 1/2 cup of organic, extra thick rolled oats like the ones from Bob's Red Mill. And we'll just turn the heat down to low and give it a stir. Add 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Then stir it all together. Cook the oats and the chia seeds on low heat until most of the moisture is cooked off, about 10 minutes. This recipe is designed to be dry, more like a soft granola, but you could make it creamier if you like. Just add a little more water and cook it longer. When the oats are just the way you want them, add 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed meal. Now, this is an ancient superfood, and it's going to add a lot of fiber. So now just give it a good stir. Then spoon the oats into the cereal bowl. Looks good. Next, you can add up to 2 tablespoons of almond butter over the oats. And I love this crunchy almond butter with no salt added. It gives the oats real flavor and texture without adding sodium. Now you can sprinkle 1/4 of a cup of defrosted frozen wild blueberries right on top. Then you can add 1/4 of a cup of defrosted frozen raspberries. Look how pretty. Now I'm using defrosted frozen fruit, but you can always use fresh. Sometimes when they're not in season, they're a little bit hard to find, so frozen is always a great option. And finally, add about 10 to 12 fresh blackberries right on top. This looks pretty beautiful, but there's lots of options for customizing it to fit your own taste. You can add fruit like apples, bananas, peaches, mangoes. You can drizzle it with a little bit of maple syrup or honey, or add some pumpkin puree, or you can sprinkle some coconut chips on top. The list is endless. Now that is breakfast. So let's talk about the nutrition facts for this breakfast oats and berries recipe. If you use the ingredients in the amounts that I've used, 1 serving of this dish has about 618 calories, 30 grams of total fat, 71 grams of total carbs, 20 grams of protein, 0 milligrams of cholesterol, and only 1 milligram of sodium. After subtracting the 26 grams of dietary fiber, there's about 45 net carbs. It is hard to beat the nutritional profile for this oatmeal. For breakfast, lunch, any time of day. We've got the full typed out recipe in our blog on our website. And as always, let us know what you think in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends and family, and subscribe for more great RV recipes just like this.